Hi, I'm Derek Rawnsley with Sparks Yacht Sales. Today we're on a beautiful 2016 Jupiter 30. Days like today are exactly what this boat is all about. You want to be on the water. It's about as perfect as it gets in the summer down here. We got the classic 300 package, Yamaha's workhorses. Perfect power package for this boat. Right here you got a nice little seat for two. For those days when you're running to the islands or just fishing offshore. Nice access to your bilge. The bilge is very clean on this boat. Very well maintained. Right here we have ideally your fish box. You can use it for fender storage, this, that, or whatever. But it's a macerated box that you can utilize for whatever works for you. Right here there's a bait station. Nice big live well. Got a freshwater sink. And then just like a little miscellaneous tray here. So nice spot to do all your fishing stuff. Moving forward, we have a pair of LeBrock style seats, kind of that classic Jupiter look with their logo embroidered. Got the stainless finishes, so for sitting or standing, it's ideal. We have a Garmin package, Garmin radar, Garmin sounder. There's an audio system on the boat. You got your Yamaha gauge. Powder coating, by the way, for a 10-year-old boat is absolutely perfect. I cannot find a single spot where there's a bubble or an issue. On both sides of the boat, you're gonna have miscellaneous storage and or rod storage. So you can store up to at least 8 rods, and you have the lockable cabinets. In the console, you're gonna have obvious storage for your gear, tackle, etc. Plenty of room to access important things. You have a freshwater head in here. And then again, batteries, battery switches, neat rigging, everything right there is easy to get at. You got the fiberglass door, gasketed fiberglass door with a nice latch. You don't see that on a lot of center consoles. You have the light hatch here. And then moving forward, you have a really nice forward seating concept with the seats that taper back into the walls. This is nice for getting up here, getting at your anchor hatch, bow lines, of course fishing. This is one of my favorite setups that Jupiter does. Of course, you got the storage underneath, and then another miscellaneous hatch here, just for odds and ends, life jackets, fenders, etc. This boat is, like I said, 10 years old. It's a beauty. It's ready for immediate action, whether you're cruising, fishing, just doing the Jupiter lifestyle, or ready to go to the islands. I was born and raised in Jupiter, living the coastal lifestyle, so I love to share that with friends, family, and clients. If you're looking to sell a boat or buy and search that next adventure, give me a ring. I'd love to help. I specialize in high-end center consoles, but with over 25 years in the industry, I can help you with just about anything. You can give me a call at 561-401-3239.